Okay, Wyatt,
You say cheese.
Say squishy. Say sculpture. Say truck. Say love you. Say see you soon. Say bye-bye. Say grandma. Say grandpa. Can you say Gretchen? Can you say Molly? Can you say Brian? Can you say Carrie? Can you say Mark? Can you say Bradley? Can you say Steven? Can you say Matt? Can you say Becky? Can you say Cole? Can you say Mama? Can you say Daddy?
You say purple. You say yellow. You say turtle.
Can you say blue? Can you say Elmo? Okay, say bye.